Today, we're working on the ACTY truck. Welcome back. Today, working on the ACTY truck. Gonna get the bed liner thrown on, and I gotta get started because the sun is going down. One bolt standing in our way. Okay. Okay, so I just finished sanding for like 45 minutes or so, hand sanding. I'm gonna go over one more pass just to make sure it's good, and then I'm gonna get started on the bed liner. I think I'm done sanding. Time to hose this thing off and get started on the bed liner. Here we go, Rustoleum bed liner. Amazon shipped this to me, and they didn't put any stuffing or anything in the box. They didn't put these in plastic bags, so they busted open in the box, which I'm not happy about. Okay. My hammer.
Any words, Bubby?
The word of the day. My back! No, that's 2 words. But the back is sore, I'll tell you what, and it's seen better days. Got the first coat on the panels done, so I'm gonna move those off, and then I'm gonna start hitting the bed, and hopefully the bed goes a lot faster, and then we'll assess where we're at from there. The sun is going down, so I better zip my lips and get going. Satellite radio. I'll get hit with the boom, boom. I should have probably masked up these sides. A 12-13 hour effort on the truck today, and I think we made decent progress. Still a lot more to do. Made a lot of good progress today, but it's coming to an end. I'll see you guys tomorrow and finish this bad boy up. My paintbrush is too damn big for my damn can, but I'm making it work. Okay, so we're done for tonight. I'm gonna peel off the tape, and the second coat helped a lot. It looks a lot better. Hopefully, cross our fingers, there was no drips underneath it all. No drips so far, so that's all I really care about. If the edge isn't super straight, I don't care, because neither am I. We just don't want any drips. That's what would not be cool.
Oh, that's good.
Just try to clean the edges up as best I can.
That's the tape, Bubby.
Oh. Damn, it is getting dark.
Uh-huh. Ooh.
There we go now.
Oh.
That's the tape. All right. So I'm back once again. It's the next morning. I'm gonna get started working on the truck. I'm in a long sleeve today because I got a pretty wicked burn on my arms yesterday. I'm gonna do another coat. Gotta coat the panels again, and then that'll be it. It'll be done. Cannot wait. Okay, third coat went on the bed. So I think that's it. I think I'm just gonna do 3 coats, but still gotta do the panels for a third coat. We're going for the third and final coat on these panels, and then we're done. I am definitely low energy right now. Yesterday's work and today I am just pooped. Right. The first can is officially gone. I think I got roughly 2-ish coats, but you're definitely gonna need 2 cans for sure if you want full coverage. Alright, hi guys, so I finally finished working on the ACTY truck. I want to show you guys the progress so far, and stay tuned for the next video. As you can see, the bed liner is finally finished. It took 2 cans of Rustoleum bed liner, about $40, a lot of hours, and no, it's not a professional job, but I think overall it turned out pretty well. So I'm happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. If you did, thanks so much, and I'll see you in the next one. By the way, a nice new addition to the truck. My exhaust pipe is completely rusted off. I gotta replace this. I'm gonna do the spark plugs as well here soon. I'm gonna try to do all the work, a lot of the work on the ACTY myself, but like I said, I am a noob, so if you have any comments, suggestions, tips, tricks, help, leave them in the comment below. Thanks guys, and stay tuned.